You're such a strange bird to have traveled so far, not entirely sure of what you're looking for, and yet finding the very thing you need. You're such a strange bird, hiding in a foreign land, singing with the trees, waiting for the one who would say, "You are mine, and you belong to me." You're such a strange bird, scattered over strange days, searching for someone else who looks like you and talks like you, with eyes and a nose and a name like Child of God. You are such a strange bird, flying where your heart leads, only because you believe that your beloved is calling and is the one for whom it beats. You are such a strange bird, yet fearfully and wonderfully made. Never stop singing your song, for it is yours to sing until the closing of this strange day.